Let me show you all of the voicemail settings on the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. First of all, let's open the phone dialer on our device. Next step is to click on those three lines in the top left corner of the screen, and from here we can go into the settings. After that, when you scroll down, you should be able to find the voicemail, and from here you will need to also select the card that you want to use for it. In this case, let's go for this one. Then there's the option for notifications. You can adjust the notifications for your voicemails. So if you receive a voicemail, it will show you visual options with notifications that you received that voicemail. We can enable floating notifications, sounds for it specifically, vibrations, and we can also display it on lock screen if we like. Then there's the visual voicemail that you can enable or disable if your carrier does support it. If not, then this option, as you can see, is locked. The next thing is advanced settings, and this allows you to change the service your carrier, but I would recommend to just stay on your carrier like this. And then finally you'll be able to enter your voicemail number. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.